Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a quick video, talk about getting these badges off of your F-150. I don't know if you're like me and you can't stand this lime green accent they put on the STXs, but I'm going to take this badge off, spray paint it flat black, and put it back on. Now, I had seen a couple of other videos where they say, oh, it's easy, you just stick your arm in here and pop the tabs out. You can see I don't have huge beefy arms, but man, I mangled myself up trying to reach in there and get it out. It's just not the way. I took bolts off of the fender. I tried to weasel it out, but I'm going to show you the quick and easy way that I found to do it. Doesn't cause any damage, comes right out, takes a couple of minutes. So all you need to do is really get in behind here. You're going to want to use a plastic scraper. What you're going to want to do is you just want to get back in behind this. You can pull it out just a little bit. Put a little bit of pressure and these tabs are going to start pulling right out. There's a few of them the whole way around. And then there's a little bit of sticky tape right here to contend with, and that's it. The whole thing is out. You see you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. Okay, all you got to do is get kind of in between there and start prying it out. Next step is to tape it up and paint it.